Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled support code SS3. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're having trouble with Snapchat, there are a few steps you can take to resolve the issue. First, open your Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS and search for Snapchat. Make sure that the Snapchat application is updated to the latest version. Keeping your app updated can often fix bugs and improve performance. Once updated, try logging back into your Snapchat account to see if the issue is resolved. If you're still encountering the same problem, the next step is to uninstall the Snapchat app from your device and then reinstall it. This can help clear any cached data or temporary files that might be causing issues with the app. After reinstalling Snapchat, and if the problem persists, you can seek further assistance from Snapchat support. Open your web browser and search for Snapchat support on Google. Look for the official Snapchat support website in the search results and click on it. On the Snapchat support site, scroll down to find the Contact Us section. Select the option that says, I can't access my account, which is typically the second option listed. Then, choose the option that states My account is locked, which is usually the first option under this section. Click on Account Site, which is a highlighted text acting as a button. This will direct you to the login page where you can enter your Snapchat account credentials. Now my account is not locked, so I am just going to explain the next steps, which are pretty self-explanatory. Once logged in, navigate to the Unlock My Account option, usually found at the bottom of the page. Follow the prompts provided to unlock your account. Even if your account is not locked, follow the steps on the site to reach the Unlock My Account option. Simply tap on Unlock My Account and follow any additional instructions or prompts to complete the process. This should resolve issues related to accessing your Snapchat account. If you encounter any difficulties during this process, Snapchat support can provide further assistance to help resolve the issue. So that's basically how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled support code SS3. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.